Hello, there's a nice free avatar creator website I want to show you. This is Ready Player Me avatar creator, and here you can choose if you're male or female, or I choose a male. Then I choose a photo here, Bud Spencer. Accept it. No login, no registration, nothing. It's very easy. And here is your face, and here you can choose the color of your face or skin tone, and here adjust a little bit the face. Here you can choose your dress. Let's look, there are a lot of dresses. Yes, this one. Outfit June. And this is very important for Nomad Sculpt here, the hair thing, because the meshes are separate. Here you can choose different hairstyles. And the next thing is a beard, if you want. The eye color, the eyebrows, yes, glasses, and here if you want to use a makeup or something like a tattoo or so, and a mask, it's also possible. Let's use this one. No. Other things. This one, a dark one. And hats. Or like a Bedouin. Yeah, okay. And when you're happy with your character, press the button in the upper right corner, and then your avatar was created, and then press copy. Yeah, okay. And then open a new browser window and paste in the copied link and press return. And then it takes a few seconds, and then do you want to download the GLB file? Press save. And here in the save download folder is the GLB file. And then go to Nomad Sculpt. I delete everything. And here I can drag and drop the created file. I'm happy with it. Nice. And post-processing on. I show you the mesh now. This is the mesh you get. And everything is separate, I think. You can use it for other stuff. And it's free. I like it. Yes. So you can create clothes or something real quick. It's a nice thing. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.